looking to get a French Lop rabbit, you can find all the details as far as the links in the description. But since you're still here, let me explain how it works. You can choose to pick something and wait just to see what comes available on the for sale page, or you can get on the wait list, which is $75 to do so, and that $75 is applied to the total of the rabbit that you choose, whatever the pricing may be. When you're on the wait list, you get first priority as far as the order of which you all came in on the list. So the other bonus for that is if you're looking for something in particular, a buck, a doe, a certain color, driving distance. I don't have a problem using a transport as long as you set it up and they are able to come here to pick them up. If they are going very long distance, like across the country, we can hold off and keep them until about 10 weeks rather than the 8 weeks. As far as when the kits come available, I usually start evaluating around 5 weeks old and decide the first couple that are able to leave at 8 weeks, which those typically will be priced around $150 to $175. Most of the time there is nothing wrong with them, it's just I can't keep all of them and grow them out to see which ones will be good show prospects. So the ones that just don't make that first cut, they get to go soonest, and then right around 10 to 12 weeks, I'll do another evaluation and see who I want to keep even longer, and potentially the ones that keep it to phase 3 are the ones I'm looking at to grow my herd itself. So those are going to be the best prospects, and those typically are going to be let go around 4 to 6 months old. The price phases of each phase is, like I said, about $150 to $175 for that first phase. Phase 2 is about anything above $175 to $200, and then $200 to $250. Everything comes with a pedigree and an ID number tattooed in their left ear, so they are ready to show. If there are things that maybe I don't think is desirable about them or anything like that, I'm completely willing to tell you that. We can talk about it through email or DM. And if you are just wanting one as a pet, that is completely fine. You don't have to show them. You just have a great quality animal that is a great pet.